Hi everyone, it's Allison. Today I'm making myself a fresh breakfast and I wanted to share this recipe with you. I have some chopped roasted squash. Here is some fresh chopped green onion. Here is some pickled hot peppers that I also chopped or diced. 2 eggs and an avocado. I will be cooking with some red palm oil today. Okay, the oil is hot in the pan, so now I add the green onion and the squash. Stir this around. I'm using medium heat. The squash is also already cooked, so I am just trying to give it a little bit of color from cooking and of course to heat it up and to add flavor. I wasn't sure what type of vegetables to use today. However, I decided not to dig through my freezer. I probably do have some spinach, peas, or beans in my freezer. However, I decided to just use what was fresh from my refrigerator, meaning not to use something canned, frozen. The word fresh has different meanings in English. I will add a dash, which means a small amount of salt and black pepper. I added the pickled peppers. Try saying that fast 10 times. Pickled peppers, pickled peppers, pickled peppers, pickled peppers. I can't do it. I added a little more oil on the side of the pan here so that I can cook the eggs. So I will be using 2 fresh eggs. Again, what does fresh mean here? In general, it means eggs that are not cooked or prepared yet, or sometimes we use the word fresh to refer to food that has just been picked or harvested. So sometimes people say farm fresh eggs, and that would mean that they are fresh from the farm. Now, any package can say that. So here are my 2 eggs, and I am going to put these in the hot oil. Okay, these eggs look pretty nice. I'm going to let them cook, and then I will serve them while they are still a little bit soft. While the eggs and the squash are cooking, I have a quick moment to slice some avocado. So here we have it. Here I have my squash, my 2 soft pan-fried eggs, and a garnish of avocado on the side. Let's see how this tastes. Wow, that is delicious.
Thank you so much for joining me, and please comment below and let me know what you think about this recipe. Thank you.